It's wonderful, you guys. If I was any person out there having a smartphone, I would start a YouTube channel and I would start it. Even if I'm to be in another life right now, I would encourage you, I would encourage myself to start a YouTube channel. You guys, YouTube channel can give you money without even noticing that it is giving you money. When I looked at this, when I looked at the this is I'm trying to hide it. I don't want you to see the amount. When I tried to see my estimated income as of now making the video, I was so amazed. And in the last 7 days, YouTube has paid me. Can you imagine? Meaning it has paid me every day. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the breakdown of what we did in 7 days, that is last week. It is very good for me to encourage you and show you what we are doing. When we're talking about the last 7 days, I'm talking about July 7th to July 13th. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, guys. Thank you for coming to this mind-blowing video where I'm going to show you every energy you put, every video you make, every camera, that moment that you look yourself in that camera and go ahead and post, irrespective of being mute, irrespective of anything, there's something you're adding onto your bank account. So go with me. But before going with you in the detail of this video, special thanks to the ladies and gentlemen that have been pushing these videos in the last 7 days. Engagement is the key. And if you know you're among those people that whoever Immaculate Show puts a video, I love you so much. Thank you very much. So in the last 7 days, we made 9 videos and 6 shorts. This is so beautiful and wonderful. 9 videos, meaning 7 days. Every day we made one video. Then there's a day we made 2 videos. So, and in this, out of these 6 shorts, you guys, in the last 7 days, we got 10 new subscribers, of which we start to catch up. There's a time when we used not to have subscribers. And remember before, like in the last 2 months, we used to get massive subscribers. So we got 10 subscribers, and the people that turned into us, 788 people turned into us, as in they watched our content, they were there. Then 10 subscribers subscribed, but people found us in different ways. This is why I always tell you, when you are doing video, when you're into creation, to content creation, and you're on YouTube, you need to mix up the type of content, like short content, long form content, posts on community, something like that. I'm going to show you why. This is how people found us, and it is ranked from the highest to the lowest. People found us by short feeds, meaning shorts did a very great part in that. I want you to remember that we posted 6 shorts and 9 videos. So meaning shorts were doing very well for us, and people found us on YouTube Home. What is YouTube Home? YouTube Home, for new people that on YouTube and the beginners on YouTube who don't know, YouTube Home is that interface. When you open YouTube like this on your phone or on your laptop, even on the screen, whatever comes first, a mixture of things, not including your YouTube channel, but there will be very many. So people found us by that method. Whenever they open, they found our videos on their home, and they are associated things. How can your video be on people's homes, like YouTube Home? On that interface, how can they? One, you have to have key searchable words. Maybe those people have been searching things within your field, within your niche. So when they are searching for that, the algorithm says, okay, you've been searching about money, about YouTube, about this, so they send it like that. Then YouTube search is the third, but I would love it even to be the first. Why? Because it means you are making your videos as to SEOs, as to algorithm. You're putting key searchable words. And last 2 months, we've been not focusing more on optimizing our titles, optimizing our description, whereby we did immediately as I saw this report, I started. So always optimize your videos, your titles, your description, your comments, your first pinned comment. Why do you do this? Because you should like you should come in people's searches. Like for example, if people are searching about money, your video should be ready to come. Then the next will be history. Either they will watch or they will not watch, depending on the thumbnail that you put, or depending on the first 5 minutes or first 5 seconds that you're posting. People will be like, there's nothing. But at least it would be searchable. This is what they watched most. You'll be shocked. These 988 people plus the 10 subscribers that came in, they watched mostly the first, to take the first position was a short. And this short was make money online while reading the Bible. So when I tell you anything that you have around you, the things that you do on a daily basis can give you money, can give you a community. Then the second was how to make 2,000 US dollars monthly selling ebooks. You can't believe this was the second to be watched. Then the third was my June earnings on YouTube. My June earnings on YouTube made the third position. All in all, the engagement was so cool to the extent that people did not only watch, they liked, though it is not high, but they liked, they shared. Thanks to everybody that shared this video, because I see the shares are more than 20, and they commented. The major part, the part we always want, is amount of money. I can say the total amount of money as for this month, you can see it on the screen. I'll not show you. So at least the more you participate, the more you do, the more you get money. Now, what do I want to tell you about this video? Like the learning points on this video. One, don't give up. Be consistent. Come, please come every day. If it is not every day, come after 2 days. If it is not 2 days, at least twice a week. Then two, mix your content, because each type of content adds something on your channel. Each type of content, if shorts are adding subscribers and even the views high, then the long form gives you video duration, and the third one, the community post, they give you royalty funds and other things. There are people who are different. If they are not here, they are here. So guys, let us focus mainly on not only on long form videos, on all. And to top up this, you guys, you might be there and say, it is hard for me. Content is everywhere. If you see this, the most watched, making money with you reading the Bible, I wasn't even giving any. I only got my Bible